Welcome back to TechLock, where we explore the fascinating intersection of art and technology. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that has been buzzing in the art world lately: the blurring lines between human and computer-generated art. Is it possible to tell the difference anymore? Stick around to find out. Whether it's a beautifully painted canvas or a stunning digital masterpiece, art has always been a reflection of human creativity. But with the rise of artificial intelligence, it's becoming increasingly challenging to distinguish between art created by humans and that generated by machines. Let's kick things off by exploring the incredible artistic potential of AI. AI algorithms can now create paintings, sculptures, and even music that rival the work of human artists. Just take a look at these stunning AI-generated artworks. It's mind-blowing how algorithms can mimic the styles of famous artists or even create entirely new artistic genres. But what's even more fascinating is the creative collaboration between humans and machines. Artists and tech enthusiasts are increasingly using AI as a tool for creativity. They're feeding algorithms with data and ideas, and together with the machine, they're producing incredible works of art. AI allows me to experiment with ideas and styles I could have never imagined on my own. It's like having a co-creator that pushes my boundaries. While AI art opens up exciting possibilities, it also raises questions about the authenticity of art. Can a piece of art truly be appreciated if it was generated by a machine? Does the absence of human touch diminish its value? The debate over authenticity is complex. Art is not just about the final product. It's about the process, the emotions, and the intention behind it. AI-generated art lacks some of these elements, which can be a point of contention in the art world. So, are we reaching a point where the lines between human and computer-generated art are blurred beyond recognition? It's clear that AI is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in art, but it's also reshaping our understanding of creativity. In conclusion, the distinction between human and AI-generated art is becoming increasingly challenging to discern. While AI offers incredible creative potential, it also presents us with profound questions about the essence of art and authenticity. What do you think about this evolving relationship between art and AI? Share your thoughts in the comments below. That's all for today's episode of TechLock. If you enjoyed this exploration of art and AI, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our future content. Until next time, keep creating and keep questioning.